Suppose this is a simple strip. Okay, this is a simple strip that I have to. Okay, so in that case, this is a dividend. This is, let us suppose, blue. This is blue. Let us suppose this is red. Okay, I have to blue, red, and yellow. Okay, blue, red, and yellow. This is their size procedure. Okay, which one is greater? Blue is divided by red. That's okay. But why red? Why not yellow? See, one is dividend, another is quotient, another is remainder. Simple. Because if I use red, if I divide it by yellow, then red can't be the remainder because red is greater than yellow, isn't it? Very simple, isn't it? Is that so or not? Okay, let's do it. Okay, see, I have this blue sheet of blue strip, so I have to arrange. Let me take it for a while. Okay, I have to arrange this red strip in such a way that how many red strips can accommodate this blue strip so that it will not be greater than this. Because if you are using Euclid's division lemma between A and B, A is greater than B. B can't be greater than A. Got it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now let's accommodate this blue. Okay. How many times I can use this blue? Sorry, this red. Once. Okay. Can I use it one more time?
Yes.
Yes. Come on, use it one more time. This is used one more time. Okay. 2 times. Can I use it one more time?
Yes.
Yes, we can use it one more time. Okay. Let's use it one more time.
Yes.
Okay. How many times I have used it totally?
3.
3. Can I use it one more time now?
Yes.
Okay. Went to London. Anyways, so it's here. Fine. Okay, now a question to all of you. Can I accommodate one more red here or not?
No.
No.
Why?
Otherwise it will exceed the length of the blue one.
If I add one more red here, it will be?
Greater than blue.
Greater
It will
than.
be,
Greater.
isn't it? So I will add a reminder here. What will be reminder here?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow, dirty fellow. So you can see this all thing got accommodated. Is this clear? You can see blue strip. Can I say here blue strip is equal to, yes, blue is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 red into 3 plus yellow. Can I say this?
2, 3, sir.
4?
Red into 4.
What? Isn't I wrote 4? Yes, I wrote 4. Just see properly. I can't do the mistake. Anyways, okay, fine. So this is blue can be written. Now what is here? Do you got the reminder 0?
No.
No, we don't get the reminder 0. Now what is our next step? As per the Euclid's division lemma, I will again accommodate this red. Okay, I will see whether this red is, okay, this will become now the dividend, isn't it? This will become now the, let us suppose you have this red, okay, and this red has to be accommodated with how many?
Yellows.
Yes, how many yellows it can take, okay, and see what will be the remainder. Simple. In that case, you have to check what will be the remainder. Okay, I will take it. Okay. Can I use it yellow one more time?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
It shouldn't be greater than the red one. It shouldn't be the greater than red one. Do you think it will be greater than red one?
No.
No.
No. So let us see. Let's take this yellow one more time. Okay. Okay. It's here. So let us see if it accommodates this or not. Can you see it is just covering whole red?
Yes, sir.
So what can you infer from this?
But the remainder is 0.
The remainder is 0. So what should be the HCF?
Yellow.
Yellow is the
HCF, right, sir?
Yellow is the HCF. See how I will tell you. Because I can see here red is equal to yellow times 2, isn't it? So this is your HCF. Simple as we do, isn't it? Highest common factor. Got it, guys?